Hello guys. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and customize gift cards on your Shopify website. Gift cards can be a fantastic way to boost your sales, increase cash flow, and provide your customers with a versatile gifting option, whether for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. They're also a great solution for customers who are short on time but still want to give something meaningful. Let's dive right in and see how you can set this up efficiently. First, you'll need to navigate to the product section on the left panel of your Shopify admin dashboard. As you manage your store, you're probably quite familiar with this layout, but it's always nice to have a reminder. Once you're in the product section, look for the gift cards option. Selecting this will bring you to the page where you can manage your existing gift cards, track performance, and create new ones. To create a new gift card, simply click on the Create Gift Card button. This will open up a new interface where you can start customizing your gift card to suit your store's branding and your customers' needs. The first thing you'll want to do is either add a unique code or generate a random one. If you want to add a personal touch to your gift cards, consider creating a code that's meaningful to your brand or tied to a specific promotion. However, if you prefer to keep things straightforward, letting Shopify generate a random code will work just fine. Next, you'll want to set the initial value of the gift card. This step is crucial as it determines the purchasing power of the card. Think about the kinds of products and services you offer, and consider setting multiple value options to cater to different customer budgets. Whether it's a small token of appreciation or a more significant gift, offering a range of values helps remove purchasing friction and increases the likelihood of conversion. Additionally, there's the option to set an expiration date for your gift cards. While some businesses choose not to have their gift cards expire, setting an expiration date can create a sense of urgency for both the purchaser and the recipient, encouraging them to use the card before it lapses. This can help drive repeat visits and faster redemptions. It's up to you to decide what best aligns with your business model and customer engagement strategy. Once your gift card's alive, make sure they're easy to find. Add them to your store navigation, feature them on your homepage, and promote them through email campaigns and social media, especially during peak shopping seasons like holidays, product launches, or sales events. Gift cards can also be a smart upsell at checkout or a recovery tool for abandoned carts. And there you have it. With these few steps, you've successfully created and customized a gift card for your Shopify store. Remember, gift cards are not just a product. They're a powerful tool to increase your store's visibility, attract new customers, and encourage repeat purchases. So make the most out of them by actively promoting them across your sales channels. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tutorials, and as always, happy selling.